North Dakota State College of Science Alumni Foundation received a wonderful donation, allowing the use of nearly 95 acres of farmland to create a land lab for our college's agricultural program. This land lab was made possible by the landowners of Linda Patterson and Mary Koso. And I personally want to thank Mary and Linda for this great contribution and donation to our agriculture department and to these wonderful students. Let's give them a round of applause.
We'd really like to thank you guys for your donation and contribution to our learning experience, and we're super excited to see all the new hands-on learning we're going to get to do and to see how this program is really going to evolve and become something great.
So we're part of this land lab effort in order to showcase our equipment to the students. We have technology today that the students don't always have access to because of the limited means of getting the equipment. So with the land lab, we're able to bring in the latest technology in the equipment and expose our students to that.
And it'll be super cool to see how this program affects us students and our classroom experience along with future NDSCS ag students.
Precision ag is the big thing, and that's what we're doing a lot of out here, and that's why we want to get this information and these technologies into the hands of these students, because that is really the cutting edge of the ag industry, is of course the precision ag applications.
They're excited because they're not going to be in the classroom as much. They're going to be out hands-on.
We had the greenhouse before, but a greenhouse will never compare to, all this. I think it'll be fun to get to come out here and see what our professors are talking about with, holding it in their hands instead of on a screen.
The students are going to be able to go out there and see and feel and use all their senses to gain that knowledge, not just listening in a classroom. They're going to apply that learning.
And we're so excited to be able to open this land lab and start to utilize it to provide a better educational experience for our students.